all done and ready to go to Subic, guys. So the car is waiting downstairs. I have a bunch of stuff. As you all know, I'm a heavy packer. For my outfit today, I'm just wearing my gray dress and my sneakers. And then this necklace is from Fully Shop. Already inside the car, so I didn't put on any eye makeup sa mata ko. Later na lang siguro. So yeah, I brought my YouTube pillow, so I'll be able to sleep on the way. I have a lot of stuff here, so we're gonna do a lot of filming today since I'm not sure if I'm needed sa event today since tomorrow pa yung talk namin. Did my eye makeup inside the car, and what I did was wait for all the toll gates kasi pag toll syempre medyo mabagal ang usad, so I was able to do my eyeliner and I'm so happy about my eyeliner. Actually in-order ko to from Althea Korea. It's the newest basta Althea Korea, so basically they ship all the way from Korea, and today's eyeliner is from the brand Tony Moly, and it is the long Kinney gel pen liner. It is super budge proof, hindi siya magsasmudge or whatsoever, so that is what I used on my eyes today. Very black din siya kaya sobrang bongga niya. Actually, mga Korean brands, bongga talaga yung mga liner nila since super waterproof. And this, I think, claims to last up to, ano ba ito? Basta matagal to. Bongga siya. And then for my eyeshadow, I use something from Etude House. It's the Fantastic Color Eyes in Rose Garden. It's my favorite palette because of the shimmer dito sa may gitna. That's it. We're gonna have lunch at the plenary, and then I was told that there is going to be a rehearsal for all the panelists on, at 6. Staying at the 3rd floor, and I'm in the room. Oh, cute. Love it. I won't be able to do the tour muna since we have to be out for lunch. Wow, ganda ng view. Alright, so let's go. Meron silang bigay na ID, so I have to wear that at Summit. Tapos, meron din tayong laki ng loot bag from Ad Summit. Oh gosh, look at this. This is the tiniest elevator I've ever been into. Look at that! Pang tatlong tao lang. Woo! For 6 persons talaga. 6 na mamapayat namin. Bongga! Now here at the venue, so I am just lounging around the VIP lounge there. Since a talk is still ongoing and wala pang lunch. So, nakalimutan ko dalhin yung charger ko since I thought na after lunch bumabalik na kami. But it's okay. But they do have like other mga saksakan dito. Ang galing, di ba? I just met Mio Cholson. She is one of the she's part of the committee for Ad Summit Philippines. She's so pretty. Ang bait niya. Anyway, just waiting for the go signal for lunch since tapos na yung talk. And yeah, I have this pamphlet over here. I'm gonna take it home since we're inside. Bongga. And then kumain din ako ng Tootsie Roll. They have it here. Pero hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung pastries. And super konting coffee lang since, you know. So yeah, later on we're gonna go around the area kung anong meron. Super laki ng venue, guys. You're Pam or Pat? Pat. Hi, Pat! Ang laki ng venue. Nakakaloka.
But also attention and conversations.
Done with lunch, so I wasn't able to vlog kasi ang daming tao, sobrang daming tao at sobrang ingay. The lunch was sponsored by NBC. Tapos ang daming pinapamigay ng mga, parang may mga DJ na, hindi ko alam mga name nila, pero yun, namigay ng mga appliances and cash and all of that. So after that, I'm heading back to the hotel just to do a lot of filming, and then they need me back there by 5:30 for the rehearsal. I'm staying here at the Lighthouse Hotel in Subic, and it is time for a room tour. So that's the door, and when you come inside, you will see the closet to your left, and this is where the safe is, tsaka yung mga bathrobe. To your right, you will see the bathroom. Look at this, guys. We have a bathtub. Yes. We have the sink over here. We have a full-size mirror. Tapos meron din tayong mirror for like, you know, doing your makeup para bonggang-bongga. A glass door shower. Ano daw? Glass door shower. Yan. Bongga. Of course, we have the toilet. Tapos, when you go outside, you will see another full-length mirror to check your OOTD if it's on fleek. Tapos, meron tayong snack area over here. So, I have like a lot of my stuff over there. Tapos, ito yung bigay ng Ad Summit. It's a huge bag of like goodies and stuff. We're gonna open that later on. Well, of course, we have the water, coffee, tea. We have some chips. And down here, what is this? Property of the Lighthouse. Parang, blow dryer, hair dryer. Yan, we have like refreshments and beer and even Toblerone. Love it. Did I close it? Oh gosh. Okay. A nice full bed over here. We have an iPhone dock or something, speaker yata yan. Bongga. We have a TV. We have the office desk, which I will totally use later on for editing and stuff like that. Tapos, meron silang complimentary na fruits. Bongga, diba? Miss Saint Yoko Artillero. Utin natin to. Bongga to, ha? Ano ba ito, gumamela? Oh, it's perfect. I love it. Anyway, tapos dito naman, guys, meron tayong parang lounging area. Okay, tapos this part, it's very bright. It's actually raining outside. Kanina, it was very, very sunny. Look at that. This is our view. And go outside. It's open ba? Okay. Yeah, this is the view. And that is where the adobo party is going to happen tonight. Medyo basa. And right beside us is the lighthouse. How awesome is that? Oh God. Tapos sa back, meron tayong pool. Oh. Super bongga. Ayan na, lighthouse. Love it. So, that concludes my hotel room tour. You can actually open this up. This curtain right there. You can open it up. Ayan. Tapos kita nyo rin yung labas. O, diba? Kung gusto mong maligo at makikita ka sa labas. Bongga. Just gonna rest muna and set up my stuff. Like laptops and all of that. There you go, guys. All the stuff that Ad Summit Philippines gave us. Bongga, thank you so much. Ang daming toiletries, ang daming drinks and food and all of that. Yay, Palmolive! I just edited my hotel room tour, which I'll be posting on my Facebook page. 2 videos down, guys. And you wouldn't believe kung ilang videos ang nilista ko na kailangan kong matapos today. 20. I need to film 20 videos. Pero kasama na yung vlogs doon. But I'm happy because I was able to film 2 videos already and the music is starting outside. Almost sunset na. So this dress is from Fashion Nova. I have already worn this na. Ayan. Tapos, shoes are from Prism. Cute, no? Very Kim K. So we're here at the venue, rehearsing lang. At I won't be wearing heels kasi sobrang taas ng stairs. So, I'm just gonna wear my jeans and my sneakers. So, ang daming tao. Look at it. I mean, sobrang daming tao tomorrow. Look at that. Oh, diba? Ay, Jaco and JR. Oh, ayan.
I'm a beauty blogger.
Feel ko lang yung stage. Dami. Like 1,000 plus people yata.
Yung nakakapagbigay ng tama, mabilis at komprehensibong mga balita. Lecture niyo po yung pagkita namin kanina, guys.
Alam ko na lagay ko na sana naman nag-abal naman ako sa suon.
We're heading back to the hotel na. Sobrang funny sila Vice ganda and all. Si Ann Curtis ganyan. Pero we have to leave na since we're going to send something pa sa email. So kailangan bumalik. Tapos may after party pa. So cute! How can, ano daw? Pinoys use creativity to win. Bongga! Hi to Mika Miranda. I'm with your sister, Michelle. Hi there. Ate mo. Bongga. Love it. Back in the hotel, I have to freshen up, send some emails, and then I have to go down to the party just to speak to some, by invitation lang kasi yung party yung bongga, and there are a lot of like agencies there. Kaya sobrang, gosh, nag-run? Kaya sobrang big deal talaga siya. So, yun. Pero sobrang antok na ako. Gusto ko na actually matulog. Heading to the adobo after party, guys, and I'm giving myself until 12:30 ganyan para I can rest. Couldn't hang for the entire after party since we have to be up tomorrow morning by 8:30 yata. So I have to be up by 7 para maka-makeup ako and all of that. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. My eyes are red because I had like 4 glasses of red wine. Pero yun lang, wala na talaga. And I actually want to eat this apple pero hindi pa siya na slice. So yeah, I look horrible. I have to remove my makeup tapos tutulog na ako. That's it for today's vlog. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Using a facial mask from Leaders in Solution. This is all about hydration. It's in the blue pack. Bongga. So that's it. I'm gonna sleep and wake up tomorrow. Wake up early tomorrow. Good night.